Hi everybody, our team at Let's Grow is so excited to share some great news with you. As of today, we have met a major milestone. We have over 5,000 subscribers because of you. Thank you. So, if it's things that you want to know about house plants, or the things that you need to do about your garden, or if you want to know about landscape design or landscape architecture, we got you covered. So, before we go, we just want to pass the mic around and see if anybody wants to say anything. So I'm going to start with little Michael, which you may have seen in some of our videos. Do you have anything you want to say?
Yeah, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments down below.
Thank you. Rachel, you want to say anything? No, she doesn't. Okay, Nicole?
Yes, remember to follow them at their Instagram and TikTok.
Thank you, Nikki. Andrew, do you have anything to say?
Really?
Amy, what do you want to say?
Make sure you like my videos, the ones I'm in.
Beth, you want to say something?
Like and subscribe.
That's Bonnie. You've seen her. She's drinking a martini on the water. And Tony and Dom, who've been in some of our earlier videos, they've joined us.
Dominic and I just want to say we remember sitting with Diego and Bonnie talking about how we'd like to create a channel where they could ask people about gardening, and we thought, who could we get to host it?
No, you don't better not.
Information, and we thought, you know who would be perfect for that? Michael Bull.
Oh, thank you. I thought you were going to say John Farrar.
We were going to, but I couldn't get it.
Thank you.
Make sure you tune in to see the next video, because you never know what Mike is gonna say or do, or who's gonna be the guest. There's always something fun, informative, interesting, and funny. We hope to see you there. Don't forget to subscribe and like.
And also, let us know videos you want to do. We're here to help you with your South Florida gardening or your houseplant videos. And we do listen to all your comments, so please remember to leave those comments. We always try to help you all out. Again, thank you so much from Let's Grow. Bye!
Bye.